Guys, so it's time for a massive unboxing video. I think this is going to be one of the biggest unboxings I've done. I've got some really big boxes and packages, so I'm very excited. Let's do it. Okay, let's start with this guy. It's a very long box, and yeah, I've got my trusty cutter with me. Oh, it's a pink box, and it's ulta. Okay, are you ready? Ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! Okay, so this is from MyGlamm. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so this is a whole lot of makeup. We've got some serum foundation, some mascara and lipstick and some compact. Thanks guys, can't wait to try this. Then we have a brand that I'm really excited about. Can you tell from the packaging, guys, who this is from? This is from, now can you tell? I'm giving you another second to guess, guys. Doh Tak Keh. You guys know I love their clothes, and this is a really pretty blue maxi dress. This is so stunning. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Like the ties have like a pearl detail, and it doesn't get more Bombay than this. Like there's a sewing machine. It's just absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. Thanks guys. Gonna do one of the small guys. Let's see what's in this. Oh, it's jewelry. Oh, this is what I made. So do you guys remember Valliyan Nitya's store launch? When I went for the store launch, we had these options to choose from. I don't know if I vlogged this or not, but Nitya launched her store and we could actually make our own necklaces there. So I actually chose all these and they sent it to me. How cool is that? Okay, now we're starting with the bigger ones. This is definitely not the biggest. There are some which are ginormous, but let's see what we have here. This is a really pretty box. Oh, Oh, it's from Innisfree. What do we have here? There are some really cute products here. Like, how cool are these? This is so cute. This is Stephen Harrington into Innisfree. They always do like really fun collabs, and their bottles are really cute and pretty when they do them. The orange one is like my favorite. Look at this. Like the packaging is so funky and cool, and like how cute is this? Like you definitely like want this on your dressing table. Like this is so cute. Thanks guys. Okay, this guy is like the biggest guy. I think it's 2 boxes taped together. I think so. Yes. Okay, first we're gonna separate the two. Okay, let's go one by one now. So I actually have 3 of these. So there's one more single like this, and these 2 are joined. So let's see what's inside. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, these are from my darling Aprajita Toor. You guys know I love her stuff, and she has very kindly sent me, I think, 2 pairs of shoes or 3 pairs of shoes. Very excited. Okay, I'm not gonna open. I want to at least open all of them to the point where we can unbox them really fast, because I'm very excited. Oh my god guys, okay, I am very excited. This is feeling like my birthday. Okay. Like I'm like, there's just so much here to see. Okay, I'm gonna put all of them here like this, and my table is not even big enough for this. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Ta-da, ta-da, and ta-da. There are like many layers of anticipation to this unboxing. Gonna take away all the shoe bags and my darling Aprajita has sent a sweet note saying, sending you love and comfort this season. Hope this pair becomes a staple in my wardrobe. Which pair? You've sent me 3. That's crazy. Thank you. Okay. Ooh. Oh my God. These are like the most beautiful shoes I own, I think, at this point. I own them now. They are just so beautiful. Like, look at the detailing on the heel. I can't wait to wear all these and show them to you. Like, while you're watching this, I'm gonna obviously do like cutaways of these after. What are these? These are silver and they are pretty. Okay, these look really, really cool. These are the perfect everyday, like, nice brunchy, lunchy sandals. Like, I don't have anything in silver and I love these. Okay, you've spoiled me. And number 3. These are my beauties. So remember, I have these in gold. So she made the same pair for me in a rose gold because obviously one is not enough. These are actually the most stunning flats and they're so statementy. They look so cool when you wear them. Absolutely amazing. Love them. Thank you. Up next, we have this cute little potli from Ikat Story. What is in this? Oh, they have their summer collection that's out. Chandni does the most beautiful stuff, and how cute is this? Like, this is a little pouch. There's some stickers. So this is an invite for the new collection launch, and yeah, can't wait to see everything. Thanks. What do we have here? I'm gonna have to recycle a lot of boxes after this unboxing because there is a lot of packaging. What do we have here? Okay, so we have a whole bunch of products from Requil. There's a retinol night cream, there is a moisturizer, some face wash, some anti-frizz conditioner, and some sunscreen. So thank you for this, guys. Can't wait to try all of these. This box is my favorite because it's orangey and it says peach on the top of it. My favorite fruit, my favorite color. No, just kidding, guys. This is really, really interesting. This is basically peach makeup and talking about like how peach makeup is trending. And there's, what do we have here? Oh, so we have like a whole mix of all the ELCA companies. So we've got some Too Faced blush, we've got the strobe cream from MAC, we've got a Clinique gloss, and we've got some lip and cheek tint from Smashbox. Yeah, so can't wait to try all of these. This actually looks really nice. It's the shade Mai Tai, and I haven't actually tried any of the Smashbox lip and cheek tints. I already have something on my lip, so I'm just going to put a little onto my hand to just see what it's like because I'm very tempted to use this. Oh my god, look at that color. How beautiful is that? Can't wait to use this properly, guys. Thank you. Last but not the least, we have a gift. This is not a PR package. My bestie went to Jaipur and she got me this. So let's see what it is. Ooh, oh my god, it's a really cute and pretty night suit. I love these. Like, you guys have seen me wear a lot of, like, you know, block printed cute cotton night suits, and ooh, it's so soft. I love this. So guys, those are all the packages that I had to unbox today. I don't want to be biased and pick a favorite because that would be wrong. So thank you to everybody that sent me stuff today. I love everything. And yeah, I feel very loved today. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you, guys. So guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite. I can't pick mine, but you can pick yours. And everything will be linked in the description like it usually is. See you guys. Bye.